In 3 hours.
He said, you're gonna kill me.
Yeah, you can see volcano.
Are we getting there closer? Oh, 저쪽에. 저기잖아.
Oh, we're gonna go that. We're going there.
아 여기 또 이거 봐. 크게. 여기도 크게. 여기도 군데 많이 올라와.
Like there are quarters in here. Oh, that looks like an octopus. No, it's not an octopus.
Looks like what? Oh, be careful. What's this? Oh, they put the coins in there.
Yeah. Good luck. Good luck. Oh, I have a coin actually.
엄마 보지도 않아. 세트장 거기까지 타러 내일 간다. 막 고개를 딱 들이다 빵! 이야 무섭다.
기분 어디요?
옛날에 이왕이 어제 집에 있었잖아.
그렇지. 코스. Yeah, you can do the rest.
Yeah. This is enough for them. Yeah. It's a pretty good one. Here we go. I like that ice cream. Probably. Alright, well, we're going that way. I think so.
우와, 또 와봐.
Her dad is He's gonna take one home. We got all the numbers.
Yeah.
I think we did the whole thing. The Kilauea trail. We're doing the whole trail, I think. That's what. So we're going the right way because the numbers are going up. So this is the intended way.
So it's gonna be changed. 한번 와보는 거지. 또 찌질하게 애들 오면 좋아하겠대. 오잖아. 그지 그지. 찌질하게 애들 와. 예. 고수들이랑 같이 올 수밖에 없어. 맞아. She thinks that what was it? The earth science.
It's pretty fun. Hello. On the volcano. As expected though.
그냥 둘만 살래 그냥. 안타깝네. 애기 나오면 예쁠 텐데. 예쁘지. 얘가 불러 오늘 싸우는 거.
Tubi. Oh, it's pretty cool. On your left. This is why I wanted the headlamp. Yeah, that's a good idea. I should have